friends, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is alphabet, subject English, class kindergarten. Objectives. Students will be able to recognize, identify and write the letters of the alphabet A to Z. Students will be able to associate each letter with its corresponding sound. So now for teaching aids, you can use alphabet flashcards, chart paper with the alphabet picture book, and also you can use audio visual aid for alphabet song. Now introduction. So greeting and warm up. Start by singing an alphabet song to engage students and create excitement about the lesson. For discussion, show a large chart with the alphabet, both uppercase and lowercase. Point to each letter and its name aloud. Encourage the class to repeat after you. Now, activities. First, flashcards. Show students flashcards with individual letters, both upper and lowercase. For each flashcards, teacher will ask students to say the letter aloud and name something that begins with that letter. Example, A for apple. Then teacher will mix the order of the flashcards to check their recognition. So, this is the flashcard activity in which you will show the flashcards to the students, both upper and lower case, and will say a letter aloud by showing each letter. Letter sound association. Teacher will hold the flashcards or use picture books showing items that start with each letter. Encourage students to sound out the first letter of the object. Example B. B for ball. Teacher will discuss the sound each letter makes. So you will use phonics here by using the flashcards, or you can use picture book. Show each item to the students and sound out the first letter of that object. Next is for writing practice. You can provide each student with a worksheet to trace and write letters of the alphabet. Show them how to hold pencils correctly and trace each letter. Allow them to practice writing both uppercase and lowercase letters. Next activity is very interesting, which is alphabet hunt. So you can scatter magnetic letters or letter blocks around the classroom. Then we'll ask students to go on an alphabet hunt to find specific letters. Once they find a letter, they should tell the class the letter's name and one word that starts with it. So you can use letter blocks or magnetic letters, and you can scatter around the classroom. After that, you can tell any letter and ask students to find out in the classroom only. So you can also use this worksheet in which students will circle the letter that matches the beginning sound. So this is pencil, fork, cat, bed and sun. So student will circle pencil, P, fork or knife, fork, sorry, this is fork, F, cat, C, bed, B, sun, S. So student will circle the letters of the beginning sound. Next is conclusion. So go over the letters again using the alphabet chart Ask students to identify random letters and say their sounds. Last is goodbye song. So end the lesson with an alphabet song to reinforce what they learned. So you can use audiovisual aid for this song. Last, you can give the homework to the students in which you can ask students to bring in an object from home that begins with a specific letter for a show and tell during the next class. So this is that. Okay, so you can ask students to bring any object that start with that letter. Kindly like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.